In this video, I'm going to show you how to format your text here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to format your text, here's how you can do it. So I have some merged cells right here just to make sure you can see what I'm doing. And here is where I'm going to input my text. So let's just type in our text right here. There you have it. So where do we find our format tools? We have here the first one, which is our font style, our font size, our bold tool, italic, strike through, and our text color. Other than that, we also have our alignments. We have our horizontal alignment and our vertical alignment. So once you've selected the cell where your text is, you can go ahead and start formatting your text. Start with the font, select the font that you want to use. Let's say it's this one right here. Now, if there are some fonts that you don't see right here in your options, what you can do is to go to More Fonts. There we have it, and just click on the fonts that you want to add to your options. Let's say I want to add this one right here. There you go. It is added with my options. And if I want to remove some of these, I can just click on the X mark on the right side. Again, keep on searching for the ones that you don't see in your options. Just click on them and they will automatically be added to your options. Once you're done, just click on OK. Then go back to your font right here and you will find them with your options. So let's say I want to use this font. There you have it. So any changes that you do will automatically be applied to your text. Now, what if I want to make it bigger, more visible? We can now move on to our font size. Now, we can increase this by clicking on this plus sign right here, or we can just enter a specific number for our size. Press enter, and there you have it. Next one would be our bold. So if we click on this, that is what it's going to look like. Italic, strike through, and our text color. For our text color, we have a variety of colors to choose from. Once you've selected a color that you like, just click on it, and again, it will automatically be applied. Lastly, we have our alignments. So right now, with our horizontal alignment, we are at the left alignment. Here is our right alignment and our center alignment. There you have it. We also have our vertical alignment, which is right next to our horizontal alignment. So if we click on that, we have the top, middle, and bottom. If you want to put it in the middle, just select that, and there you have it. Not much changes, but you'll see what I mean if you have more text within your cells. And there you have it. Those are the simple ways on how you can format your text right here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.